Welcome one more time, students. In this opportunity, let's do activity number 3. Pay attention, for example, this man here, his name is David. David usually does different activities. In this opportunity, we have 8 sentences, 8 questions, and we have here, for example, what does David do? How old is he? Where does he come from? Does he get up early every day? What does he do before breakfast? Does he drink soda? Does he go swimming every day? And finally, what time does he go to bed? These activities probably are similar with you. However, we are going to listen David's information. Pay attention and remember the questions. Okay? Let's listen together.
Track 3. David Owen is a soccer player. He's very famous. He's 27 years old. He comes from England. David likes to feel healthy. How does he do it? Here's how. He always gets up at 6 o'clock and he always runs in the park before breakfast. David always eats healthy food. He never eats junk food. He never drinks soda. He prefers water. David sometimes goes swimming in the afternoon, and he sometimes rides his bike in the evening. He always takes a shower in the evening. David never goes to bed late. He's always in bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, we are here again. Let's do question number 1. What does David do? Do you remember? Yeah, that's right. He is a soccer player. Okay, what about question number 2? How old is he? According to the audio, he is 27 years old. What about question number 3? Where does he come from? Nice. He comes from England. Okay, very good. And what about number 4? Does he get up early every day? Yes, he does. Okay, yes, he does. Okay, very good. These are some information about David. Please, you can listen the audio as many as you can and respond question number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Okay, let's do it. Okay, students, in this case, we have grammar presentation. Pay attention these 3 sentences. These ones are using frequency adverbs. Frequency adverbs are words that tells us how often you do an activity. Frequency adverbs are located in the second position. For example, pay attention. We have always, sometimes, never. Repeat. Always, always, sometimes, sometimes, never, never. As you can see, the frequency adverbs is in the second position. Why? Pay attention. He is the pronoun is in the first position. Second position, frequency adverb. And we have get up early. This is the rest of the sentence. Okay? Don't forget, frequency adverbs are located in the second position. Let's continue with this activity. I make sure that you get the idea with the grammar presentation. In this case, we have listen again and fill in the blanks. Listen one more time okay, with the activity number 3, and according to this information, we are going to develop these sentences. Don't forget, we are going to use 3 frequency adverbs: always, sometimes, never. Repeat, please. Always, sometimes, never. Okay, let's listen together.
Track 3. David Owen is a soccer player. He's very famous. He's 27 years old. He comes from England. David likes to feel healthy. How does he do it? Here's how. He always gets up at 6 o'clock, and he always runs in the park before breakfast. David always eats healthy food. He never eats junk food. He never drinks soda. He prefers water. David sometimes goes swimming in the afternoon, and he sometimes rides his bike in the evening. He always takes a shower in the evening. David never goes to bed late. He's always in bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, we are here again. Now, let's check this out. For example, we have number 1, David. What is the correct answer? Always, sometimes, or never? Good. So we have always. Okay, so we have David always gets up at 6 o'clock. Don't forget, frequency adverbs are located in the second position. What about number 2? He always, sometimes, or never? Good. So we have always again. What about number 3? He eats junk food. Good. So we have never. What about number 4? He drinks soda. Good. Congratulations. One more time. Never. Now it's your turn. Complete with always, sometime, and never. Sentence number 5, number 6, number 7, and number 8. Let's do it. Now, one more time, it's your turn. We have activity number 5. Complete the sentences about yourself. We have 3 sentences, have got prompts to follow, and we have 3 sentences rest, and you can create your own sentences. For example, we have from number 1 until number 6, right? Look at number 1. I ride my bike in the park. So, let's think about it and personally respond the question. For example, I sometimes ride my bike in the park. This is personal. What about number 2? I play soccer. I never play soccer. What about, for example, in number 4, 5, and 6, in which you have to create your own? For example, I always watch TV. Yeah, this is an example, right? For me. I sometimes, okay, for example, we have listen to the radio. Yeah, okay, don't forget to be creative, okay, by making your sentences. Very good. That's all for this lesson. Don't forget to practice at home, and in this class we saw frequency adverbs. Always, sometimes, never. Okay, practice please at home. Goodbye.